Black hole versus white hole, cosmic inverses. In the vast and enigmatic expanse of the cosmos, black holes and white holes stand as captivating theoretical entities, each possessing bizarre properties that challenge our everyday understanding of space and time. While black holes have transitioned from theoretical curiosities to observed realities, white holes remain firmly in the realm of theoretical physics, often described as the time-reversed counterparts of their darker siblings. A black hole is born from the catastrophic collapse of a massive star, compressing an immense amount of matter into an infinitesimally small point known as a singularity. This process creates a region in space-time where gravity is so overwhelmingly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp once it crosses the event horizon, the point of no return. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners, relentlessly pulling in surrounding matter and energy, growing in size and influence over eons. Their existence is supported by a wealth of astronomical evidence, from the orbital patterns of stars to the direct imaging of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. In stark contrast, a white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time that acts as the opposite of a black hole. Instead of swallowing everything that ventures too close, a white hole theoretically expels matter, energy, and even light outwards. Nothing can enter a white hole from the outside. Its event horizon acts as a boundary of no admission. Imagine a movie of a black hole played in reverse. That's essentially the concept of a white hole. Objects can emerge from a white hole and interact with the external universe, but nothing from the outside can ever make its way in. The mathematical framework of Einstein's theory of general relativity allows for the existence of both black holes and white holes as valid solutions to its equations. However, while the formation of black holes through stellar collapse is a well-established astrophysical process, no known mechanism explains how white holes might form in our universe. They often appear in theoretical scenarios involving eternal black holes, or as a potential exit point of a wormhole, a hypothetical tunnel connecting two different points in space-time, or even different universes. One intriguing idea suggests a connection between black holes and white holes through quantum effects. As a black hole shrinks to an incredibly small size due to Hawking radiation, a theoretical process by which black holes slowly lose mass, quantum randomness might take over, potentially transforming the black hole into a white hole. Such a white hole would be minuscule, but could contain all the information of everything the black hole had previously consumed. In essence, black holes are cosmic sinks, relentlessly pulling matter and energy into their gravitational abyss, while white holes, if they exist, would be cosmic fountains, spewing forth matter and energy into the universe. While black holes are now a cornerstone of our understanding of astrophysics, white holes remain an exotic and unobserved prediction of our theories, prompting further exploration into the fundamental nature of gravity, space-time, and the